a different video, guys. So recently I learned how to code, guys. After that I bought some bunch of sensors and a bunch of motors, guys. If you want to check out those sensors and motors, you can go to the link in the description, guys, and you can just buy them. And the main components of my robot is an ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, micro servo motor, and two motors and motor driver and even an IR sensor. So I connected with these with wires, male to female wires and female to female wires, guys, and I used two LEDs also, guys. So guys, let's discuss deeper about each component, guys. So this is a micro servo, guys, micro servo motor. So I mounted my ultrasonic sensor over this knobs, guys, over this knob, as you can see, and I coded such a way that it moves from 0 to 180 slowly and it suddenly comes back from 180 to 0, guys. So but the problem is actually my servo motor, when I picked it, it was working and it was well and good, but by mistakenly I broke it, guys. So I really can't show you that, but I really want to show you guys, and you can just buy it anywhere, guys. So this is used for rotating, guys. It rotates the ultrasonic sensor. And let's move on to the next component, guys. So guys, our next component is an ultrasonic sensor. So an ultrasonic sensor can measure the distance to a wide range of object regardless of its shape, color, or even its surface texture, guys. So they are able to measure an approaching object in front of your robot, guys. So some people have a doubt like how exactly does an ultrasonic sensor work? So an ultrasonic sensor works by emitting some sound waves which are at a frequency which is too high for humans to hear. Then it will wait for the signals, for the frequency to come back and based on that, it will calculate its distance on the time required to it to come back. So if you want to see an ultrasonic sensor emitting its rays, you can see in the following clip, guys. So guys, if you want to see the color of the ultraviolet rays, you need a remote which has an LED in front of it. Now I'm gonna press a button and you can see a violet color ray like thingy. That is the ultraviolet rays which the remote is sending to the TV, guys. So let's move on to the next component. So guys, this component is called as an IR sensor, guys, and its full form is infrared sensor, guys. So infrared sensor both emits and detects the infrared radiation or its light, guys. So an IR sensor has two parts. One part is a light emitting one, and another part is a receiver which receives that light back. When an object comes close to that sensor, the infrared light from the one of the LED reflects off to the object and is detected by the receiver, which is the another LED one. So I coded such a way that if my IR sensor detects anything, a red LED gets on. And one more point is, it cannot detect black surfaces, guys. It cannot detect black surfaces because the light which the IR sensor is it's reflecting or emitting out is mostly absorbed by this black surfaces. So it can't detect black surfaces. So let's move on to the next component. So guys, this component is called as a motor driver, guys. A typical motor driver has 6 connecting points and a motor has 2 connecting points. So we take the 2 connecting points of a motor and attach it to the motor driver at MAs and 2 slot, guys, as you can see in the picture. And we take, if we have another motor, we take the 2 wires of the other motor and connect it to MB and 2. So this is how we connect an motor driver with our motors. And as you can see, there are some wire like structures with A1, A2 and all. So this is where we can connect our female to male wires. So we connect the female wires to this and male wires will be connected to the Arduino board. So this is how it works, guys. So let's move on to the next component. So guys, this component is called as a motor. As I was talking in the motor driver, this is called as a motor, guys. So the motor helps in revolving of the wheels. So the wheels are the things which we use for moving the robot. So these motors have one power like thingy, so it rotates the white color knob as you can see, and we attach our wheels to this white color knob and it rotates the wheels guys so that the robot can move. So let's move on to the next component. So as you all know, this is a typical wheel guys. So these wheels are used in our robots to propagate the direction and to turn the robot in a particular direction, and these are used for moving forward and moving backward of the robot. So these have a circular shape, and this is used for moving forward and backward of the robot. And let's move on to the robot part guys. So guys, this is the robot which I built guys. As you can see, you may ask, does this is like a wire connecting thingy? Yes guys, this is a wire one. We have to connect this to the computer and it have to work. So this is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the micro servo motor, and these are the wheels, and this is the motor driver as I was telling, and this is the main Arduino board, and these two are the LEDs, and these are the wires which I used guys. So I coded it such a way that if this IR sensor detects anything, then this red LED will start to blink, and when this ultrasonic sensor detects anything under 5 centimeters, then this green LED will turn on. So let's go to the computer and input it, and let's check out whether this works or not. So guys, when I insert the cable, the wheel should move, and when the IR sensor detects anything, this red LED should get on, and if the ultrasonic sensor detects anything under 5 centimeters, then this green LED should on. Let's do it. Let's connect the port to the computer.
See here I do port make some.
Guys, let's insert the cable, and it is moving. So it's good guys, good to go. Yes, the IR sensor didn't detect anything because it has a range of 6 centimeters. Now I think the ultrasonic sensor is less than 5 centimeters, and it is getting on the green LED, and the IR sensor is detecting something, so the red LED is on too guys. So mission successful guys. Thank you for watching the video guys. I really appreciate it.